Hello, everyone. This is Jessica from Milesight Marketing Team, and welcome to the Milesight Comprehensive Product Line Application course. Thank you so much for taking the time to join us. Join us for an in-depth webinar where we'll first unpack the Milesight Smart Building Strategy, including our comprehensive product application matrix and the role of people sensing to drive intelligent building, and then dive into real-world success cases and related products across space management, facility management, and energy management. You'll see exactly how Milesight's end-to-end solutions deliver measurable value in smart buildings of all sizes. Currently, we have more than over 100 products. Our offerings include sensing nodes, connection devices, and various additional tools and platforms. Our sensing nodes are designed to gather accurate data from the environment. Most of the nodes support LoRaWAN protocol, and a few of them also supports some other communication protocols, such as 4G Cat1, Wi-Fi Halo NB-IoT, and LTE-M. Milesight controllers are designed to offer seamless integration with the legacy or traditional sensors. And the weather stations are commonly deployed in smart city and agriculture applications or solar power plants, where accurate weather data is essential. To facilitate seamless connectivity, we provide a range of connection devices that enable efficient communication between devices and networks. These devices play a crucial role in establishing secure and robust connections, such as the LoRaWAN gateways, cellular routers, and switches. Recognizing the potential of 5G technology, Milesight has developed 5G suites that leverage the power of this advanced network infrastructure. These suites enable high-speed data transfer, low latency, and enhanced reliability, unlocking new possibilities for IoT deployments. In addition to our broad product range, we offer extra software platforms tailored to cater to the diverse needs of our customers. In 2025, Milesight is rolling out a new product marketing strategy centered on people-sensing driven smart buildings. Building needs can be broken down into three main modules: facility management, energy management, and value-driven space management. Each module calls for different IoT solutions, and we've got you covered at every step. Now, let's talk about the space management, where buildings truly start to think. This isn't just about square footage, it's about turning data into human-centric value. Based on real-world feedback, we've nailed down 5 applications that directly align with how people live, work, and thrive. Let's break them down. First up is environmental comfort, the silent sales boost. Retailers, have you ever noticed how a stuffy store drives customers out? Our IAQ sensors monitor carbon dioxide, humidity, and volatile organic compounds. Fix these and watch dwell time rise by 30%, which for a clothing retailer could mean a 15% sales lift. For offices, clean air isn't just healthy, it's profitable. A tech firm using our sensors saw a 20% drop in sick days after optimizing ventilation. Second, office and workspace planning, from wasted space to revenue. The problem is empty desks mean wasted rent. Milesight people counting sensors become your space GPS. Track peak usage to right-size office layouts. One co-working client freed up 25% of their floor plan and repurposed it into premium meeting rooms, boosting revenue by $18 per square foot per year. Third is human-centric care, safety first, always. Think beyond compliance. Fall detectors in nursing homes reduced emergency response times by 40%. Fourth, we have smart restroom comfort. Better user experience and satisfaction can lead to higher rental rates and occupancy. Restrooms, the unlikely profit center. Yes, really. Smart restroom sensors track soap or paper levels and occupancy status. But here's the kicker: cleaner restrooms in a Dubai mall led to a 12% increase in tenant renewal rates. In a smart building, we cover every concern from air quality to real-time people counting, from smart lighting and heating control to electric consumption measurement. Let's explore some of our key offerings. Milesight's smart building space management solutions enhance environments by monitoring air quality, analyzing space usage, and focusing on healthcare and people care. They leverage IoT sensors and have a track record of successful deployments around the world. This diagram highlights Milesight's comprehensive approach to improving environmental and restroom comfort in schools and offices. It shows various sensors like AM series that monitor air quality, detecting pollutants such as total volatile organic compounds, particulate matter, carbon dioxide, and formaldehyde. These sensors communicate via LoRaWAN to our gateways, which then integrate with building management systems or third-party platforms using protocols like BACnet and Modbus. The system also discreetly detects vaping and marijuana in privacy-sensitive areas, ensuring safety without compromising privacy. Overall, this setup enhances air quality monitoring, health safety, and platform integration for a smarter and healthier building environment. There are many cases we have successfully deployed for indoor air quality monitoring in education facilities. Here is an important case that's ongoing in Canadian schools. The government of Quebec has started rolling out carbon dioxide sensors through a public tender. 4 different suppliers are sharing the order for 90,000 sensors, totaling $80 million. Our partner, ASIC Technology, teamed up with Milesight, secured more than 50% of the tender thanks to our intuitive screen design and motion detection capabilities. So Milesight AM sensors and the UG65 indoor LoRaWAN gateways are integrated with our partner's application platform to make data visible remotely by the mandates in government. The measurement is made every 5 minutes during the day and every hour in the evening and at night. Valencia, Spain's 2024 European Green Capital, is tackling energy poverty head on with IoT tech. Partnering with Damel Reeds and Milesight, they've rolled out 130 wireless AM103 light version sensors in homes to monitor carbon dioxide, temperature, and humidity 24/7, key factors affecting both energy bills and health. How it works. These palm-sized sensors with cute emoji-style displays stick to walls without messy wiring. They send real-time air quality data via LoRaWAN gateways to a central cloud platform. Analysts spot patterns like when mold risk humidity spikes or heating gets wasted. Shopping malls and shopping centers are other ideal environments where improved air quality can significantly benefit shoppers, tenants, and staff. For example, Enix Shopping Mall in Singapore has partnered with Unibees to enhance its sustainability efforts by deploying 35 AM319 sensors for smart air quality monitoring. The data collected by these sensors transmitted through a third-party LoRaWAN gateway to Honeywell's building management system, where it is used to optimize efficient HVAC operations. Suntec City, a landmark integrated development located in Singapore's Marina Bay precinct. It comprises 5 Grade A office towers, a world-class convention and exhibition center, and one of Singapore's largest shopping malls, all of which are interlinked by street-level plazas and underground walkways. As part of its commitment to enhancing tenant comfort and promoting environmental sustainability, Suntec City embarked on a comprehensive refurbishment to upgrade the air conditioning and mechanical ventilation systems, and integrating an advanced indoor air quality monitoring solution to ensure better air quality standards for its tenants. Unibees, Milesight's partner in Singapore, was selected to support this project. Over the 6 months, Unibees deployed close to 800 wireless air quality sensors and 50 LoRaWAN gateways with Actility Thing Park Enterprise on-premises IoT platform on a LoRaWAN network for this project. The sensor from Milesight is a comprehensive 9-in-1 solution that integrates 9 types of sensors to measure various ambient conditions, including carbon dioxide concentration, temperature, humidity, light, total volatile organic compounds, barometric pressure, PM2.5, PM10, formaldehyde, and motion. This energy-efficient sensor is designed for real-time monitoring and collecting reliable air quality data 24/7. The deployment was carried out in phases, In total, there are 5 towers, about 2.3 million square feet, were monitored by LoRaWAN and sensors. Let's explore another cool project in Singapore, where StoreHub aims to get green certification for their buildings. StoreHub is a leading self-storage provider in Asia Pacific, managing facilities spanning over 6.8 million square feet of gross floor area, with more than 70,000 storage units across key markets: Australia, Greater China, Japan, Malaysia, Singapore, Thailand, and Korea. Together with Unibase, StoreHub implemented energy-efficient practices and integrated digital technologies, optimizing utility and environmental performance across its properties. StoreHub's goal is to improve the sustainability performance of its facilities by achieving LEL EED version 4.1 for operations and maintenance and ARCS Group. StoreHub needed an efficient way to track and report key metrics like energy consumption, water use, and indoor air quality, ensuring compliance with stringent green building standards. Real-time, accurate data was essential for measuring progress and achieving certification, but the existing solutions were inadequate for their needs. Today, building managers in 85% of the buildings do not have access to critical energy utilization figures, as they do not have a building management system, or their building management system does not capture detailed and real-time environmental and utility data required for certification. StoreHub needed a solution that could seamlessly gather and transmit consumption data and air quality from various locations across its facilities without major disruption to operations or costly infrastructure upgrades. By leveraging on Unibase and Milesight's expertise in digitalization and IoT, the project created a connected ecosystem that collects precise indoor air quality metrics via Milesight's LoRaWAN certified 9-in-1 sensors across all StoreHub's 18 properties in Singapore. Through a wireless retrofit solution, Unibase completed the IoT upgrade in less than 3 months without any costly infrastructure overhaul. The utility consumption and environmental data was submitted for LEED certification and seamlessly fed into this sustainability reporting tool. Jacksonville International Airport is a busy hub, serving over 7 million passengers a year. To enhance passenger experience and streamline operations, the airport partnered with Sensory and Actility to implement Milesight's IoT solutions. The goal: real-time monitoring, smarter resource management, and a cleaner, healthier environment for travelers. Let's see, what did they deploy? JAX integrated several Milesight devices. The VS350, a passive infrared-based people counter, tracks restroom usage to optimize cleaning schedules. GS301, a bathroom odor detector, monitors ammonia and hydrogen sulfide levels in restrooms and triggers alerts when deep cleaning is needed. The AM308 Lite version, an indoor air quality sensor, measures temperature, humidity, and carbon dioxide levels to maintain a healthy environment. All these sensors are powered by LoRaWAN technology, seamlessly connected via Actility's theme park enterprise network for real-time data transmission. The system gathers live data on air quality, restroom usage, and occupancy patterns. This data is processed through Sensory SkySmart platform, giving airport managers real-time dashboards for better decision-making, so restrooms stay fresher and cleaned only when needed, passengers breathe easier, and equipment glitches get fixed before they ruin anyone's trip. With Milesight's IoT solutions, JAX has seen more efficient staffing, janitorial teams cleaned when needed, not just on a fixed schedule. Reduced energy costs. HVAC systems adjust automatically based on real-time occupancy. Happier passengers, less time spent looking for restrooms, better air quality, and smoother airport experiences. This plug-and-play solution was installed in just a day, with no major infrastructure changes needed, saving both time and money. JAX now has a scalable, data-driven approach to airport management, setting a new standard for operational efficiency and passenger satisfaction. There are many unique sources of airborne pollutants in schools and offices. To protect children and staff from the harmful impacts, We need to understand which of these pollutants are present in which areas in the school or office, and at which times of the day. That's why we developed these 10 models to meet specific ambience monitoring requirements. And you'll notice they share some common features like temperature and humidity detection. If you just need basic temperature and humidity data, the AM102 and its light version without a screen are your most budget-friendly options. But if you also need carbon dioxide readings, the AM103 and its light version are made for you. For more comprehensive monitoring, check out the AM300 series. The AM319 is especially impressive with its 9-in-1 powerful sensing capabilities. Most importantly, it has achieved WELL certification, which means it meets strict standards for improving indoor air quality, making it a great choice for healthier indoor environments. For on-the-spot alerts, we offer models with emoticon indicators, LED indicators, or built-in buzzers. And by the way, you can configure the good, fair, bad boundaries to fit your needs. And one thing worth mentioning here is the historical data storage and transmission feature. As we all know, when using LoRa technology, it's possible to experience data package loss. Now, data can be stored in the sensors and can't be manually deleted. If the network connection drops, the data will be sent again once the connection is back, ensuring the network server gets all the data, even during emergencies. GS601 for vape detection. It uses a combination of particulate, gas, and temperature sensors to improve the accuracy of detection processes and reliably identify a wider variety of smoke-related offenses. This sensor can be used to detect smoke with vape and cigarettes. Marijuana is also possible. GS301 is a 4-in-1 low-rad bathroom odor detector that can pick up on ammonia and hydrogen sulfide gas levels. It works using an electrochemical principle and can also monitor temperature and humidity in bathrooms. Next up, let's talk about the space management in retail places and offices. Most of our customers use these two options, LoRa WAN or Power over Ethernet, to get their data just the way they need it. PoE technology has revolutionized the way we build wireless networks by allowing data and power to be transmitted over the same Ethernet cable. By utilizing existing twisted pair Ethernet infrastructure, PoE allows power devices such as IP cameras to receive power without requiring any additional modifications to the infrastructure. So how we're actually integrated is we gather the sensing data from the VS sensing devices. This data is then transferred either to a cellular router via PoE interface or wirelessly to a LoRaWAN gateway. The choice between PoE version or LoRaWAN version depends on your preference. Here I've listed the two different versions of the same model separately. Both the Milesight cellular router and LoRaWAN gateway come with a 4G SIM slot for wireless connectivity. You can use MQTT or HTTP to send data to any platform you want. Actually, the Milesight LoRaWAN gateway operates as an intelligent converter and unifies field communication protocols. Thanks to the LoRaWAN to BACnet or to Modbus TCP functionality of our gateways, you can easily and quickly modernize your building management system by connecting it to LoRaWAN equipment. It's incredibly easy to set up. There is no requirement for cables, neither DSL nor VPN, no connection to the property's existing IT systems. Here's a number of customers I'd be happy to share use cases from any one of these customers. Thanks to our partner TC Group, over 700 European retail stores have successfully implemented our people counters. We've actually sold over 1,000 units of the VS people counters, including their PoE versions in this market. Another particular case that left a deep impression on me was the installation at La Casa de las Carcasas. It is a well-known mobile accessories company with over 1,300 stores in Spain. The challenge we faced was the limited space and restricted installation positions at the store entrances. To create a nice shopping atmosphere, the shop owner put up 2 rows of spotlights at the entrance. Unfortunately, this setup posed challenges within the necessary 60 centimeters area around the sensor where no obstacles should be present. The lamp tubes caused interference, resulting in a reddish glare that affected the accuracy of people counting. However, it was not possible to change the lighting design or move the lights, as shown in the photos. In addition, the customer also requires a high level of accuracy, which must not be lower than 95%. This is the standard that their previous people counters were able to achieve. Furthermore, the system upgrade should not involve any changes to the existing network infrastructure. This means that the new system must support 4G wireless data transmission. This presented a significant challenge during the installation process, but we have to figure it out because the customer plans to install more than 1,500 units within 2 years. Here is what we did. We spent many resources in optimizing our AI and grayscale image algorithms until you could actually see the difference in before and after shots. Instead of relying on color, which gets messy under weird lighting, our grayscale tech zeroes in on shape outlines created by time of flight reflections. Translation? Stray light doesn't throw off our sensors anymore, even in chaotic spaces. Why it matters for VS counters. That secret sauce in Milesight's people counters. It's like giving them night vision goggles. They adapt to tricky environments, think glare, shadows, or funky lighting, way better than other TOF-based counters. No color distractions, just clean, reliable shape tracking. As a result, we get an accuracy rate of 97%, which surpasses the desired acceptance rate of 95% set by our customer. Then we suggested our partner install the high-mounted version VS135 in some shops due to its narrower field of view, reducing susceptibility to obstacles, while other shops opt for the standard version VS133. To complete the solution, our partner utilizes the light version of UR32, a 4G cellular router from Milesight. It is equipped with a Power over Ethernet interface to connect with the people counter and a SIM slot for wireless data transmission. This setup allows for an effortless solution implementation without requiring any changes to the existing infrastructure. Pop-up stores are another great example where Milesight people counters can be used effectively. Many of these temporary stores in shopping malls don't have ceilings or door frames for overhead installation. Take Vodafone, for instance, which has 650 stores in Spain and wants to count foot traffic in their open counter aisles. Our partner TC Group recommends the VS350 Larawan people counter for this purpose. Since these small pop-up stores are located in open areas, it's perfect for installing the people counter along with the VS341 professional desk seat occupancy sensors. These devices accurately count passers and visitors. Additionally, the UG56 LoRaWAN gateway can be placed inside the table to ensure a reliable LoRaWAN connection. Apart from Vodafone, this proof of concept project is also being conducted in many other stores in Spain. In Vizcaya, Spain, Monolithic and Next Machina implemented an IoT-based people counting solution to help small retailers improve decision-making, operational efficiency, and customer experience. Small retailers struggled with limited data on customer flow, making it difficult to optimize store layout, staffing, and marketing strategies. The Milesight VS133 AI TIV people counting sensor, powered by LoRaWAN, enabled accurate, real-time occupancy tracking. The anonymous system ensures privacy while providing insights into footfall, dwell time, and customer behavior. In the following examples, you'll see that besides excelling in the retail industry, Milesight's people counting solution works great in libraries and public facilities too. For instance, Milesight partner MCOM, who works closely with libraries to develop and adapt solutions for both small and large libraries. The Norwegian National Library has set a requirement for libraries to annually report statistics, including visitor numbers. But each library can choose how to do this. Therefore, Larvik Bibliotek, one of the MCOM's customers, needed a privacy-friendly and resource-efficient solution. Finally, they introduced advanced people counting sensors that use time-of-flight technology and AI algorithms. These PoE version sensors were seamlessly integrated into the library's core system. With this new system in place, Larvik Bibliotek could now transmit counting data in an encrypted and secure manner. This allowed the municipality to efficiently report the required information to the National Library. In the heart of Rome, Italy, lies a historic theater that has stood the test of time. This grand venue attracts numerous visitors eager to experience its rich cultural offerings. However, managing the flow of guests in such a historic setting posed unique challenges. The theatre's management faced the difficulty of accurately monitoring space usage, especially in critical areas like entrances, bars, and restrooms without the benefit of structured cabling due to the thick walls and historic architecture. They needed a solution that could provide real time data on spectator movement without being intrusive or requiring extensive wiring. Enter Milesight and their partner iComfort. Together, we devised a plan using 17 pieces of VS1, 33 LoRaWAN people counters, and 4 units 6.5 LoRaWAN gateways. These devices were strategically placed in key areas to monitor and control the flow of spectators. The data collected was available in real time and historical formats via the iComfort platform, allowing for better management of guest movements. This setup proved to be a game changer for the theater. The LoRaWAN-based people counters offered a flexible and non-intrusive solution, overcoming the cabling difficulties and operational constraints. By eliminating the need for extensive wiring and power outlets, the theater could maintain its historic integrity while effectively managing its modern-day operations. In Abu Dhabi, the university partnered with AD Group to transform their campus into a smart campus using Milesight's IoT solutions. They deployed various sensors and gateways to improve energy efficiency and sustainability. Hundreds of AI occupancy sensors and air quality sensors are installed, as well as the gateways. The occupancy sensors track if rooms are being used, while the air quality sensors monitor air quality in real time. This data helps facility managers adjust each EA systems to maintain comfort and efficiency. For example, if a room is occupied and carbon dioxide concentration rises, the system can automatically increase ventilation frequency. Conversely, if a room is empty, it can turn off lights and air conditioning to save energy. Another old building in Coburg, Germany, has also adopted Milesight people counting solution. The city's tourist information center, located in a historic building with a vaulted structure, needed a way to record visitor frequency to determine peak occupancy times. So they implemented the elegant VS133 LoRaWAN version sensor with a multifunctional bracket over the door frame, which seamlessly blends into the historic ambience. By the way, this bracket is an optional accessory from Milesight. The city of Casey in southeast Melbourne, Australia, is a rapidly growing area that sought to improve its public restroom facilities across 72 sites. They faced issues such as unpredictable foot traffic, maintenance inefficiencies, and gaps in data for long-term planning. The primary challenge was the impact of weather, particularly heavy rain, which sometimes affected sensor readings. However, stainless steel shields helped mitigate this issue. With Minovation's assistance, the city installed Milesight VS350 sensors in all 72 toilet blocks. These sensors, protected by stainless steel rain shields, were connected to the city's public LoRaWAN network. Here's what the people counting sensor did. Number 1, up to 80% accurate footfall tracking. Installed at every toilet block entrance, the dual-element low-noise passive infrared sensor counted entries in real time, even in harsh outdoor conditions. Number 2, hourly insights. Captured peak usage times like weekends or events to pinpoint when cleaning was needed most. All 72 sites were up and running in just 3 weeks. The existing LoRaWAN network handled the deployment without any infrastructure headaches. The sensors data, combined with Minovation's Alphax platform, revealed seasonal patterns and helped prioritize upgrades. The heat maps and dashboards showed staff exactly which toilets were busiest and when. It spotted unusual activity and generated alerts. For example, a sudden crowd from a local festival so crews could respond quickly. Finally, it's the win for Casey City. High-traffic toilets were serviced before they got messy. Data indicated which facilities needed upgrades and which didn't, saving taxpayer dollars. Cleaner, better maintained restrooms led to a happier community. These devices are based on various technologies, including time of flight, passive infrared, AI vision, and thermopile, etc. And they are designed for different scenarios. Take a shopping center as an example. For counting people at the main entrances, the people counter VS135, 133, and 121 are more than qualified to accurately track, record foot traffic, and generate heat map for further analysis. If you want to know the exact number of adults and children entering while excluding staff members in a specific area and their dwell time or make group counting or shopping cart field level detection, then both VS133 and 135 can help you to gain insights into customer behavior and foot traffic patterns. If you'd like to install it at 6.5 meters height, or inclined installation, or stitching multiple units to cover a wider entrance area, such as the ground floor of a shopping center or in Walmart supermarket, then the VS135 is recommended because of its stitching and ultra-high installation. If you want to know visitors' gender, male or female, please go to VS125, the AI stereo vision sensor. If you want to get people flow analysis to calculate the traffic from different directions, or if you do care about queue counting where dense crowding or slow-moving pedestrian traffic occurs in train stations, I think the VS121 is the best choice. If you need a wireless sensor of entrance people counting and accurate enough up to 95%, the VS351 Mini AI Thermopyle People Counter is right to go. If it's a pop-up store without ceiling or door lintel, if you only need a cost-effective people counter for corridors or passageways and accept the 80% detection week accuracy, well, the VS350 with 2 passive infrared sensors will be the first option. If you prefer to have side mounting people counting and to count a small area with a lovely cost, the VS360 active infrared sensor is a nice option. And if you want to highly improve customers' experience in your shopping mall, using the desk seat occupancy sensors VS340 during the lunch hour can help visitors identify occupied seats quickly. When it comes to accurately counting multiple individuals passing side by side or in a crowded environment, these people counters from Milesight offer different levels of accuracy. Starting from the bottom, we have the active and passive infrared technology with an accuracy level of approximately 80%. But the VS350 is equipped with dual-element noise passive infrared sensors, making it resistant to interference from its surroundings. Moving on, the thermopyle and RGB technology can achieve 95% accuracy, followed by the millimeter wave radar at 98% accuracy. Finally, the most accurate models are the advanced time of flight and stereo visual vision RGB sensors, which reach a remarkable accuracy level of 99.8%. Thank you for attending our webinar. For the latest updates and news, follow us on social media. We look forward to staying connected.